Well, I found my trail. Almost went by it. I think some of the blue blazes might have got covered by snow on the trees. Bigfoot tracks. Or stupid man tracks. It is just so pretty out here. Man can't complain when life is this good. Now, let's proceed down this hill some more. I think it's time to freshen up the blue blazes on this portion of the North Country Trail. Well, at least it'll be easier coming out on the broke trail. For anybody that might watch this, I'm thinking if you would like to do this, which I would recommend, I would recommend having good walking poles, some good boot gaiters that go up to the knee, 2 blue blazes. Higher one on the left means go left. Switchbacks. If you can see it, or I was up there already. There, whoa, deep. I got some drift action here. Get an idea how deep that goes. Well, I certainly don't like it when I see pink ribbon out in the woods. That usually is a boundary for logging to come. Stays is hurting for money, and we have living money right here. All we got to do is get in here and cut it down and haul it off and make toilet paper and paper towels and everything else we've learned we can't live without. Okay. Oh, that was low. The only tracks I've seen out here so far today are bunny hoppers. It's just so pretty out here. Sorry if my video is shaky and I'm gasping for air. You try this. Holding the camera steady while snowshoeing and breathing hard. The enchanted forest. My beautiful wife will watch this and will think that I'm completely off my rocker. But I'm loving it. Burn off some of that ice cream I so dearly love. And third helpings of my wife's good cooking. This is going to be a big hill to go back up. I don't know. Video never does it justice of how steep things are. But I'm actually getting pretty close to the spot where I want to stop and have lunch. Steep little drop off there. Hard to see any variations in the trail.